Welcome to CyberPros. Crack passwords with John the Ripper. Quick MD5 hacking tutorial. First, we'll update our package list and install the John the Ripper password cracking tool. Next, to demonstrate a dictionary attack, we'll create a file named hashes.txt with a sample MD5 hash and a custom wordlist.txt containing the correct password. Now, we run John against our hash file, specifying our custom word list and telling it the format is raw MD5. John will try every word in the list until it finds a match. After the process completes, we use the show flag to display the cracked password. As you can see, it successfully recovered password from the hash. Now let's try single mode. We'll create a new file where the username is admin and the password is also admin, then run John with the single flag, which cleverly tries variations of the username as the password. Finally, we use show on our second hash file to confirm that single mode successfully cracked. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.